Hey everyone, welcome back to Kinchiro Gadgets. Today we've got something super cool for you. We're checking out the top 5 best air conditioners of 2025. Whether you're looking for smart features, let's dive in. Number 1. Up first, the LG 6000 BTU dual inverter smart AC. All the product links are waiting for you below. Compact, powerful, and super quiet, this unit cools rooms up to 250 square feet. With dual inverter technology, it saves up to 25% more energy than standard models. Plus, it's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it with your phone, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Number 2. This is the Midea U-Shape 8000 BTU window air conditioner. The unique design lets you close your window fully, reducing outside noise by almost 9 times. It cools up to 350 square feet, features DC inverter tech for 35% energy savings, and supports Wi-Fi smart control. Perfect for quiet and efficient cooling. Number 3. Next, the GE Window AC, a reliable 5000 BTU unit designed for small rooms up to 150 square feet. It's compact, easy to install, and simple to operate with mechanical controls. A great budget-friendly option for cooling bedrooms or offices without extra features. Number 4. Here we have the ROVSUN 8000 BTU window AC, ideal for medium rooms up to 350 square feet. It comes with multiple cooling modes, 2 fan speeds, and an easy-to-use remote. Affordable and efficient. It's a strong choice if you want solid performance without breaking the bank. Number 5. Finally, the Midea 8000 BTU Smart Inverter AC. This one's ENERGY STAR certified, cutting power use by nearly 40%. It cools spaces up to 350 square feet and runs ultra quiet with Wi-Fi control via the Midea Air app.
Alexa, turn the AC to 68 degrees.
Alexa or Google, you get both comfort and smart convenience. All the product links are waiting for you below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.